Withdrawing money from your Etsy account after it has been reviewed is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you complete the withdrawal successfully. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Start by visiting the Etsy website and logging into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access your Shop Manager. Once logged in, navigate to the Shop Manager section. This is typically found in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to enter your shop's dashboard. Step 3. Go to Finances. In the Shop Manager, look for the Finances tab on the left-hand menu. Click on it to access your financial information, including your earnings and payment settings. Step 4. Select Payment Account. Under the Finances section, find and click on Payment Account. Here, you will see your available balance and options for withdrawing funds. Step 5. Withdraw funds. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the extra.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your account for updates on the status of your withdrawal.